Okay, you have some ideas when selling technology against a guy that's got a guard. So the client says, I've got a guard. Say, fantastic. Let's just score what he's going to do for you for all that money. Yeah, sure. Okay, so now there's something at your perimeter wall. Will the guard see it? Yes or no? Maybe. He could be asleep. It could be having a body break. He could be at the wrong side of the site. He could be with his supervisor filling in his forms. He could be distracted. Or he just could be totally fearful that there is somebody there. Or, yes, he saw it. There you go. Right, so he saw it. So what's he going to do? He's going to press his panic button. Yes. What's going to happen now? There's going to be a response. Yes. What are they responding to? His panic button. How many guys are... what is the panic? No, we don't know. How many vehicles will the armed response company sell? No, we don't know. Which side of the perimeter will they start looking at? No, we don't know. What are they looking for? No, we don't know. They're just responding to a panic. Okay? And you're happy with that service. Then that service cannot be improved. Then you talk about Videofied. So, there's something moving at the gate. Will we see it? Yes. What do? We verify. Is it got wings and paws or legs and arms? Legs and arms. We call response. We say response. There's 4 guys, bottom corner. SCOM is down. There's no coverage. There's no lights. The security system's off. The electric fence is off. They're in the site. 3 of them are armed. Now, which one is better?